Okay, so right now we're going to learn about Maltese and grooming their teeth. Okay, so Maltese are known for having a lot of plaque in their teeth. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you maintain the teeth by brushing them regularly. Another thing you can do is you can use chews, dental chews that help to break down the plaque. This company called Enza Dent, they make wonderful chews that you can buy that help to remove that plaque. So there's a couple different things you can do. You can use a regular toothbrush. You can buy them where they're double-ended like this. And the toothbrush has a real small end to it. And that one's very helpful because Maltese, obviously this is way too big. So this one actually is very small. This is one little kit that my vet gave me as like a sample. And it has a finger brush in it. Those work pretty well. Maltese have a very small mouth. So the one that I like to use the Enza Dent toothpaste. And you put a little bit on the end of the toothbrush like this. About the size of a pea, okay? It tastes like chicken. And I let them enjoy the experience, okay? You can see that she really likes the taste of the toothpaste, so that's helpful. And then you just go in there and you just work on it. And I lift up the lip and I just you're just trying to disrupt the plaque in there. And so you just want to brush the teeth gently. You can use the finger brush if that works better for you. And I just kind of let them lick in the process. And then I go back on the other side. If they have a lot of plaque, it might bleed a little bit, but it still needs to be done. So that's how you brush their teeth. You can also use the finger brush. Let's try that so you can see what that looks like. So you put it on your finger like this. Put it on the part that has little bumps on it. And then you're going to go inside the mouth and just kind of do the back teeth. I think this one's a little easier to get inside the edge and stops them from. So that's how you do it. Okay, now I want to spend a few minutes talking about you can use toothpaste to do it. Okay, that's great when you're actually brushing the teeth. This is called Enza Dent. And then this is another option. Life's Abundance is a company that makes holistic products that I use. That's what kind of food I feed my dogs. And they sell a dental wipe. And it has natural ingredients, and you would just take this and just wipe the teeth like every day. Just wipe the teeth. And it has natural ingredients that help to freshen the breath, and you're actually, helping to remove that food buildup on there. So you would just hold it still and just wipe the gum line with it. Okay? So that's another option. There's different companies that make these. This one just happens to be holistic and will work great. Okay? The other thing is, there's actual chews. This company makes some chews. There's different kind of chews that you can actually buy. This is Oravet, and it actually helps to remove the plaque. There's other things you can do. Let me show you this. This is a company that people talk a lot about. It's by TropiClean. And you actually put it on their teeth. The gel actually helps to remove the plaque on their teeth, okay? So you basically, it fights periodontal disease without brushing. So if you prefer to use this, you would put this on after they're done eating, and it actually prevents plaque. So that's another option. So either way, you need to spend time taking care of their teeth, and you should have their teeth cleaned at least once a year. If you keep them really clean, you may not have to get them cleaned so often. But with Maltese, they get plaque really easy. I would say by a year old, they're already getting plaque, maybe even younger. Depends if you use hard kibble food and you let them chew on, rawhides or different things. Pressed rawhide, don't ever use rawhide chips, but if you use pressed rawhide, a bone that's pressed, You can use different types of natural chews. Like I said, if you want to use greenies or something like this that actually prevents plaque, that's great too. So